Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Thurso is a charming town located in the Outaouais region of western Quebec. Nestled along the Ottawa River, it sits just across from Clarence, Ontario, making it part of Canada's beautiful National Capital Region. Thurso was originally settled in 1807 by Scottish immigrants from Thurso, Scotland. Later, Irish settlers arrived in the 1830s, followed by French Canadians in the 1840s. This mix of cultures has shaped the town over the centuries. The town became an important center for the wood industry starting in the 1850s. In 1956, Thurso expanded its industrial profile with the opening of a paper mill. Today, Thurso's economy is supported by small businesses, agriculture, and its historical connection to forestry. Outdoor enthusiasts can enjoy activities like boating, fishing, hiking, and cycling in the scenic countryside. Offering a tranquil small-town lifestyle with easy access to urban amenities in nearby Gatineau and Ottawa, Thurso is a delightful blend of history, natural beauty, and community charm.
Thanks for watching!